My name is Robert Scott, and I'm the owner of Batteries Plus Bulbs store in New Braunfels, Texas. We're located at 1671 Interstate Highway 35 South, Suite 310 in the Interstate Plaza. We sell a variety of products here. Those products range from power sports batteries to automotive batteries to alkaline batteries and rechargeable alkaline or primary batteries. We also service customers with device repair needs, from iPads to iPhones to Galaxies, and we carry anywhere between 50 and 55,000 different products in our line.
This is ribbon cutting for Batteries Plus Bulb store. I'd like to welcome or introduce Rob Scott and his wife Marla, and they're going to say a few words.
I'm just going to say a few words.
Thank y'all for coming out today. What y'all see here is the brainchild of Ron Epstein and Art Epstein and Ron Redco. This is a business that started back in 1988 in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and it's now franchised. Batteries Plus Bulbs prides themselves in having the largest selection of bulbs and batteries that you can get. We are the place you can come when you're looking for that hard to find battery or that hard to find bulb. We offer all kinds of different things that we can do for the customer, which our competitors cannot do. And one of those things is the technology that we have at our fingertips to go out and find batteries when we can't get them into the store and get them for you. The other thing that we have is we have an extremely professionally trained, knowledgeable staff who can answer questions for you. The question that you thought you never could get answered, they will be able to answer it. That's their hook. That's how they get our customers through the door. We're not Interstate Battery, we're not AutoZone. And the batteries and the bulbs we sell are quality.
Shop New Braunfels first!